Hi guys, we send the lock phones and Xiaomi global version smartphones from China. We make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience in lock phones, Xiaomi global version smartphones since 2010. We can make free important duty to Europe Union countries by fast shipping. We can deliver the global version lock phones, Xiaomi global version smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and other cities in mainland of China. If you like the lock phone, you can place us the order directly. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you want to make B2B business of lock phones and Xiaomi global version smartphones, Xiaomi other products, you can contact with us. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. Okay, this is Oukitel WP8 Pro IP68 and IP69K waterproof outdoor lock phones. Here's the phone. The lock phone have two colors, black color and orange color. And here's the menu. Oukitel WP8 Pro for the outdoor. And here is the warranty certificate. The charger, Europe charger, good quality charger. Micro USB cable, OTG cable, one piece eject pin. Okay, now let's review the lock phone. It is a 6.5-inch HD Plus water drop display. It supports NFC and the made camera a triple camera, 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 0.3 megapixel with LED flashlight. Here's fingerprint sensor, power on off button. Here's SIM card slot. The SIM card slot is support dual nano SIM card. Or one nano SIM card and one micro SD card. Micro USB port. It's fast button. volume down, volume up. Here's the headphone jack. And the CPU is MTK6762D octa-core, 2.0 GHz, Android 10 operating system, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, and its front camera is 8 megapixel. The battery built-in is 5000 mAh battery built-in. It supports NFC and OTG function is support. Now, let's turn it on. It had turned on already. It supports all Google applications, Google Play Store. Android 10 operating system. Let's make a photo. We can see the details of the photo. It's clearly a photo. And connect device is support NFC. App system. Here are all the language menus it supports. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We will make it global sending, and also we can deliver the global version lock phones, Xiaomi global version lock phones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and other cities in mainland of China.